So here you can see one ECH system. I got the thing from customer. Hey, this project is came for the as well you can say. So I'm working professional in a kind of MNC company you can say. So here we can go for it like as you are looking seeing my screen. This is our ECS schematic where it says like this is the dampers, this is the temperature sensors, this is the heating coil, this was the fans, this is also heating coils, temperature sensor, and these are the points of the temperature sensors, dampers points. Here you can see things. So this layout we got it from customer. Okay. Now what we are doing, we are making it schematic first of all in AutoCAD. Okay, here you got the all information and sequence of operation, like how it works and why it works. These are the sequence of operation. These are the control schematic of ECH. Okay, now we can start with explaining first of all. This is the air viscous. You can say air intake. This is the outside air. Then it is a fresh air coming from this side. This is going for outside. These are the fans. We are pulling the air. Okay, these are the fans which pulling the air. And again we go forward as like here you can see there is a two typical heating coils will be there. So first we will annotating the things, okay, like what the things are in the submeter and all. Okay, this is the fans. This is what heating coil. These are the dampers. These are the dampers. So we got two heating coils, two dampers, two fans. Okay. Again, here you can see the fan uh, which will be connected to RC. RC what? RC is a controller relay which will be used for monitoring the thing. Here also this is used for monitoring points. Okay, this is we used for the monitoring of status. Sorry. RC basically we used for monitoring of the status. And what other than you see in the schematics? These are the temperature sensors. One, two, three. So these are the there will be several type of temperature sensors will be there like kind of immersion with with rod or with probe you can say. So we will see in next kind of some videos, but here is one layout we are doing schematic for it 2025 again. Again, you can see I already drawn one schematic. Okay, we see as we consider the things from the customer, what the thing they provided. these are the schematic we drawn. Okay, for learning you the schematics, you can drop a